There is something interesting about the designer-user relationship that fascinates me. As a senior product designer and a product manager, I understand that many people like me, after finishing a digital product design, would always think it should be super easy to use, it's reasonable and intuitive, and you won't expect anything wrong with its use. Why? Because you follow certain rules, you were super logical and reasonable during the process, you even created a basic tutorial for the first time users. What could possibly go wrong, right? Well, here's the thing. The users, they won't think in this perfect logic all the time. They won't stop, look at the entire page, think about how to make that the best choice. In reality, the users would just muddle their way in. They scan and ignore the tutorial, finding the most intuitive solution that appears first in their mind. That is why the digital product you design has to be super intuitive. Every step they take has to be something on the top of their mind. Things you won't make mistakes about even when you're drunk. That is why you need to apply certain strategies in your design techniques. Techniques like emphasis on important information, leaving more space on the page, using bigger fonts, better typography when needed, creating well-defined sections rather than mixing everything up, trying different ways to design your best answers for the users in the most creative way you can. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.